everybody, it's Brandon again. I got something cool in the mail this morning that I wanted to share with you guys. Now normally I don't like an unboxing video, so I probably am going to suck at this, but I thought I'd try it anyway. This is the Beelink Mini S Series Mini PC. This has an Intel Celeron N5095 processor with 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gig SSD, and I got it for about $200 on Amazon. And I'm planning to use this for a little server here in the house, but before then I thought I'd test it out, benchmark it. It comes with Windows 11 Pro. I'm of course going to try Chrome OS Flex on it, maybe Linux, and just see how it runs. So I haven't opened it yet. All I did was take off the plastic, so we'll see what's inside this thing. If I can figure out how to open it. I haven't bought a Beelink before, but I've looked at them on Amazon quite a bit. They're pretty reasonably priced, low PCs. Got a user manual here, a little protective foam, and well, here's the computer. And it is actually a lot smaller than I expected. I thought it'd be about the size of that Intel Nook I have back there, but it's not. It's tiny. This thing's tiny. So on the front we got a headphone jack, 2 USB 3 ports, 3.1 maybe. On the back, 2 more USB, Ethernet jack, 2 HDMI outs, power out. There's no USB-C on this thing, which I knew that going in. I guess I could open it up if I have a screwdriver nearby. Give me a second, maybe I'll just take a look inside, see what's in there. Okay, I'm back from getting the screwdriver and opening this thing up. If you look inside here, my camera's not that great, but you have the memory module and the M.2 hard drive. Also in the lid, there's a place where you can install an additional hard drive if you wanted, an SSD. And so it comes with 8 gigs of RAM, but you can replace that with a 16 gig stick. It looks like there's just, it just takes one stick, but I know it supports 16 gigs. And yeah, the M.2 you could replace too. This is again 256 gig. That's probably enough for what I'm going to be using, because I'm probably going to have an external USB drive plugged into this. But and I think here it supports up to 2 terabytes of a hard drive, if I remember right. So that's what the inside looks like. So anyway, all in all, I'd say this thing it weighs nothing. And it feels pretty plastic, pretty cheap. But that's fine because the cost was pretty cheap, so I wasn't expecting like super build quality. But I think this is going to look pretty good on my shelf over there, replacing the big tower that that's what this is going to be, a little server I'm making. And so let's just see what else is in the box. It comes with a little accessories case, and now we got the power adapter, pretty basic, and a bunch of screws, little screws I guess for putting in the hard drive. Here we got a little a teeny tiny HDMI cable, like 6 inches, which is decent, and another HDMI cable which is longer. I don't know how long it is, but probably 3 feet. And then a little mounting bracket. There are 2 mounting holes here where you can mount this on the back of a monitor if you're using it as in that fashion. I'm probably not going to do that, but the option is there. So yeah, this is something I'm going to be playing with over the next few days. I'll make some videos about it. If there's anything you guys want me to test on this thing, just let me know. I'll see how it performs on Windows 11, but I'm not going to be keeping Windows 11 on there long term. But it does come with Windows 11 Pro, which is nice, I suppose. And so yeah, we're going to do that. We're going to see if it can run a game. We're going to do some benchmarks. We're going to just see how performant it is. Maybe I'll try a virtual machine on it and see if that works. And then we're going to go over to Chrome OS Flex and see if it even supports the hardware on this and see how that runs. So that'll be interesting. Then we might try Linux on it. And so yeah, that's what's coming up for the next few days. I'm excited about it. You guys may or may not be, but this is the kind of stuff I'm into. I like these little computers, and so we're going to check it out. And if you want to see that, subscribe to the channel. If there's anything particularly you want me to test, you can let me know in the comments. Like the video, and until then, I hope you all have a good day. Bye now.